Ever been caught short on cash, but your paycheck is still days away? You're not alone. That's where Beforepay comes in, offering a convenient way to access your earned wages early. But here's the burning question: can you use CashApp with Beforepay? Let's dive in and find out. Beforepay is a fantastic service that allows you to get paid early for the work you've already done. It's a lifesaver for those unexpected expenses or when you just need a little extra cash flow. But how does it actually work? Essentially, Beforepay partners with your employer to provide you with access to a portion of your earned wages before your regular payday. This means you can get paid for the hours you've already worked, even if your official payday is still a few days away. Now, let's address the big question: can you directly use CashApp to receive your early wages from Beforepay? Unfortunately, the answer is no. Beforepay typically uses its own payment methods to disburse your early wages. These methods can vary depending on your employer and the specific Beforepay program. Common methods include direct deposit to your bank account, transfers to a designated debit card, or even through a separate Beforepay app wallet. So, how can you use CashApp with Beforepay? While you can't directly receive Beforepay funds into your CashApp account, you can easily transfer the funds you receive from Beforepay to your CashApp account. Here's a simple workaround. Receive your early wages from Beforepay. This could be through direct deposit to your bank account, a transfer to your debit card, or through the Beforepay app wallet. Transfer the funds from your bank account or debit card to your CashApp account. You can usually do this within the CashApp app itself. Important considerations. Fees. Be mindful of any potential fees associated with transferring funds between your bank account/debit card and CashApp. Processing times. Keep in mind that there might be a slight delay in the transfer of funds between your bank account and CashApp. Beforepay terms. Always review the terms and conditions of your employer's Beforepay program carefully. This will outline the specific payment methods available and any associated fees or limitations. While you can't directly receive Beforepay funds in your CashApp account, you can easily transfer your early wages to CashApp after receiving them through other available methods. This allows you to seamlessly integrate Beforepay with your preferred payment platform. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.